Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video of this pretty large dent. I actually have my glue tab there and I thought of making a video so I can share it with you guys. This is Jorge with Dent Motion again. This is an Infinity Qx56. Pretty nice vehicle. The gentleman wants to just have some of these big dents taken out because he wants to keep his vehicle nice. He asked us to clean up some other dents and whatnot. But I just wanted to show you this. I'm gonna use my slide hammer there and glue pull that. And let's see how that goes. This is where I am. I want to show you my pull. Sorry that the camera is getting messed up, but this right here is my pull. Right here that I pull. It's a little high, I gotta knock that down. I believe I'm probably gonna have to knock this down right here. Maybe glue pull right here. So I'll continue to show you the progress. Okay everybody, here it is. Dent with the light on, which is kind of hard to, anyways, I'm just gonna pan it and show. This is what it looks like now. Looking beautiful. I tried to take the tail light out, but just couldn't get to it. I didn't want to create any damage. But there it is. Dent motion, paintless dent repair. This is what we can do.